Here's an example of a simple shoulder weight strengthening routine that I do. I did this all in my backyard with an old barbell that I got from a friend. If you don't have a barbell, you can do this with 2 dumbbells or kettlebells. It consists of 2 simple but effective exercises. I first start off with the overhead press. Grip the bar with about shoulder width grip. Your index finger should align with the inner side of the knurling. Start the bar at shoulder height, then press up overhead. Keep the core tight, keep your back straight, and limit arching backwards. I did about 3 sets of 8 to 10 relative to fatigue, and I rested about 3 minutes between sets. After resting for about 3 minutes, then I started the barbell row. Grip the bar about shoulder width grip with index fingers aligned with the inner side of the knurling. Hinge forward at the hips, keep your back flat, but try to get almost parallel to the ground. Here I am about 20 degrees from parallel. Pull the barbell up to your sternum, near where your ribs meet each other in the front. Focus on bringing your elbows back to your side and squeezing the shoulder blades. I usually try to go up relatively faster and lower on a 3 count. I did 3 sets of 12 to 15 with about 3 minutes between sets. Might try heavier next time. I believe strength training is absolutely crucial for people looking to further develop their health portfolio. You'll build up muscle, which helps you function through life with greater ease. Your skeletal bones get stronger and are more resistant to breaking. If you haven't yet, check out this video that I did on how to perform weightlifting as a beginner. In the video, I talk about how many sets and reps, including what weight you should be performing for these exercises. Thanks for stopping by. Invest in your health, and I'll see you in the next one.